I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.
Today, we will look at some of the steps that can be taken right now so that you can be successful in the future. Step 1. Assign a purpose to yourself. A purpose is created in a person who has encountered a setback in his life. The purpose can be anything, like serving the community. Sometimes your purpose or goal can stem from an experience that you might have had in your life. For example, a person who faced a struggle for survival in his earlier years might find a sole purpose to survive by any way possible and carry over his genes to the next generation, because we as an animal have basically two most important tasks, just like other animals do, to survive and to procreate so that we can pass on our genes. According to Darwin, and as well as according to reality, evolution teaches that the living world has no plan or purpose except survival. It is random, undirected and heartless. Humans live in a world that cares nothing for us. Our minds are simply masses of meat and no divine plan exists to guide us. In this type of world that we live in, it is important to have a strong purpose. But in order to have a strong purpose, we must have faced difficult times that would have made us think the way Darwin thought. But when you have a strong tool like money that is making our survival easy, our main purpose like survival and to pass on our genes becomes easy. Since our main purpose for survival are being satisfied, humans have a high chance of feeling lost and directionless. These type of people are called drifters by Napoleon Hill in his book Outwitting the Devil. I can best define the word drift by saying that people who think for themselves never drift. People who do little or no thinking for themselves are drifters by the devil in the Outwitting the Devil book. The main motive of this book is to need to develop a sense of purpose in people, and I highly recommend you to read this book. In this book, purposeless is personified as a devil. The author proves that purposelessness is the only reason why all negative addictions as well as crime exist in this world today. He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow by Friedrich Nietzsche, a German philosopher. Step 2. Switch to your other self. There are two sides of a man. One is exhibited when he is ready to move along with life without any strong desires, and the other is when he is strongly in pursuit of something that he desires for. I call the other self as the one side that he exhibits when he is in pursuit of a goal. Sometimes even you might not have noticed that change in yourself. Just think of a reason why some people act differently before and after marriage. These people will start having a strong purpose of serving their family. Since they have a family now, they also have a purpose in their lives. Now it is impossible to not become the other self. You have been disappointed, you have undergone defeat during depression, you have felt the great heart within you crushed until it bled. Take courage, for those experiences have tempered the spiritual metal of which you are made. They are assets of incomparable value. Remember too, that all who succeeds in life gets off to a bad start and pass through many heartbreaking struggles before they arrive. The point in the lives of those who succeed usually comes at the moment of some crisis through which they are introduced to their other self. Napoleon Hill, the author of the book Think and Grow Rich. It is important to know that it is impossible to stay in the other self all your life unless you are passionate in doing what you are doing. This is one of the main reasons why passion is the most important part of our lives and the reason we have to find it. Step 3. Law of compensation. Law of compensation basically states that you will be compensated for the actions. Similar to the law of cause and effect, what you do affects what you get. What you sow, so shall you reap. But this isn't about money. That is where most people get the wrong idea about this law. Sure, compensation will come in form of money sometimes, but this is everything in our life. Ralph Waldo Emerson said in his essay titled Compensation, each person is compensated like manner for that which he or she has contributed. More precisely, he says, the whole of what we know is a system of compensations. Every effect in one manner is made up in other. Every suffering is rewarded, every sacrifice is made up, every debt is paid. The law of compensation is important because you get in return what you give. Efforts, contributions, love, joy, hate, resentment. Whatever you give, you get. You will get compensated something, whether positive or negative. If you apply these principles to your life, there is no doubt you will succeed. If you feel that this video has influenced you a little, please like, share and comment your thoughts.